Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello, fashion enthusiasts. In this video, I will show you how to make Zoey and dress to impress. We'll start with her base, selecting the third skin tone from the top row. Next, grab some dark blue jeans and layer them with a second pair in a vibrant yellow. For her top, choose a dark blue-green jacket or shirt, making sure it's set to top only. Finish this foundational look with a pair of sleek black sneakers. This creates the perfect canvas for Zoey's iconic style. Now, let's move on to Zoey's distinctive hair and essential accessories. Select the two-bun hairstyle and color it a deep dark brown or black. Don't forget to add bangs, matching them to the same dark shade. For her accessories, equip a microphone, color its bottom section to match your top and the top part black. Finally, add a knife accessory, keeping its original look to maintain Zoey's fierce persona. These details truly bring her character to life. Next, we'll focus on Zoey's captivating facial features and makeup. Start by applying light brown eyes using the custom makeup options to give her a natural, warm gaze. For her lips, choose a glossy style and color them a slightly lighter pink. Enhance her youthful charm by adding a subtle blush and a scattering of light freckles. To complete her unique face, select a distinct nose shape. These small touches make a big difference in capturing her essence. To finalize your Zoey creation, consider adding some extra flair. Silver or gold earrings and bracelets can provide a touch of sparkle and complete her accessory set. A black or gold belt will help define her waistline and pull the entire outfit together. Feel free to experiment with different textures, such as matte or metallic finishes, for various clothing pieces. Always remember to adjust item placements carefully for the best possible presentation. You've now created an amazing Zoey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.